Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
All right, let's dive into LibreOffice Calc. Today, we're going to go way beyond just typing numbers into boxes. We are going to make your spreadsheet do all the heavy lifting for you. So let's get right to it. I mean, really think about that for a second. What if your spreadsheet could just do the math on its own? Imagine a sheet that totals things up, finds averages, and updates itself in real time. Well, that's not some kind of tech fantasy. It's exactly what we're going to set up right now. Okay, so the very first thing we need to wrap our heads around is how Calc actually sees the data you type in. It's almost like it has its own secret language, and the key is knowing that it doesn't treat all your data the same way. It makes one really important distinction between words and numbers. Have you ever actually noticed this? It's a super subtle clue. When you type in some text, like a name or a label, it just kind of hangs out on the left side of the cell. But the second you type a number, whoop, it jumps right over to the right side. This isn't just about looking neat. That's Calc's way of telling you, hey, I get it. This is a number I can do math with.
Yeah, this simple little alignment thing is the bedrock for everything else we're going to do. It's how the program knows what you want it to do without you having to say a thing. It's the difference between a simple label on a box and a powerful number that can drive a whole calculation.
Now for our first big time-saving trick, are you tired of typing out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or 1, 2, 3 over and over again? Well, there's an amazing little tool called AutoFill that does it all for you in literally a split second. And this is the key right here, the AutoFill handle. See that tiny little black square in the corner when you click on a cell? That's your new best friend. You just click it, drag it down or across, and watch the magic happen. Calc is smart enough to fill in days of the week, months of the year, or just continue a number sequence for you. It's awesome. Okay, so we know how Calc reads our data. Now it's time for the main event, actually making it do the work for us. We're going to focus on 5 super powerful, essential formulas. Honestly, these 5 will probably cover 99% of what you'll ever need.
But hold on. Before you type anything, you have to know the golden rule. The number one most important thing to remember. Every single formula, no exceptions, has to start with an equal sign. If you forget it, Calc just thinks you're typing regular old text. That equal sign is the trigger. It's you telling Calc, okay, wake up. It's time to calculate something.
And here they are, the big 5. Sum does exactly what it sounds like. It adds everything up. Perfect for budgets. Average gives you the mean value, the middle ground. Max and min are fantastic. They instantly scan your list and pull out the absolute highest and lowest numbers. And count is super useful for just seeing how many items you have. But just remember, it only counts the cells that actually have numbers in them.
Using those formulas is great, for sure. But now we're about to unlock the real magic of a spreadsheet. This next idea, cell referencing, is what takes Calc from being a simple calculator and turns it into a living, breathing, dynamic tool. This is the secret sauce. So what is cell referencing? It's actually super simple. Instead of typing a number like 10 right into your formula, you just tell the formula to look at a specific cell, say cell A1, and use whatever number it finds inside. You're not using a fixed number anymore, you're creating a live link to a place.
And this shows you exactly what I mean. Look at the left. That's the static, or kind of the bad way. You've hard-coded the numbers. That formula will always equal 80. No matter what, it's stuck. But look at the right, the dynamic way. That formula is telling Calc, hey, whatever is in cells A1 down to A3, add them up for me. Now that is powerful.
And here is the beautiful payoff. Once you've linked your formulas to cells, you can go back and change the numbers in those cells whenever you want. And the very instant you change a number, bam, your answer updates automatically. No redoing the math, no retyping the formula, it just works. That's the magic.
So let's put it all together now. We've learned how Calc thinks, we've got our 5 essential formulas, and now we know the secret of cell linking. You literally have everything you need to build your first automated sheet.
And this is the biggest thing I want you to take away from this. You've made a huge leap. You're not just a data entry person anymore. You are now an architect. You're building a small system that thinks, reacts, and updates all on its own. It's going to save you so much time and effort.
So to wrap it all up, I'll leave you with one final, crucial question just to make sure this lesson sticks. What is the one single symbol that you absolutely cannot forget when you start to write a formula? Think about it, play around with these tools, and I'll catch you in the next one.